Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So Renew Data updated you today's test. What's a story to tell? There is any agent who has player in Portugal. He wants his players to join Kaizer Chiefs even if Sundowns is interested on signing him. He made a few calls with Chiefs that we might see his player joining us. He said he still wants to see his player playing football, not to retire. Kaizer Chiefs has shown interest in Richards Bay striker. Chiefs is currently the leading team to sign the boy. If the deal happens, we might see Mdantsane joining Richards Bay as a part of the deal. Mamelodi Sundowns player agent has told Kaizer Chiefs that if his player leaves Sundowns on June, he wants his players to join Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch FC have agreed on a deal for one of their stars who we might see wearing our jersey. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.